Welcome to specimen number 16/2, the second part of the Origins collection. While the previous paired greenfield sidewalk slabs were the first dinosaur footprints to be collected by Hitchcock, they were not the first ones discovered in the area. Dinosaur tracks have been known in the area for around 300 years, beginning when this track, popularly known as Noah's Raven, was unearthed. It was found by Pliny Moody, then a teenager, when he was working on the family farm in South Hadley. Discovered in 1802, 40 years before British anatomist Richard Owen would coin the word dinosaur, it is the first dinosaur track ever collected and probably the first dinosaur fossil found in North America. These tracks are called anomepus, and they belong to a beaked bipedal plant eater called an ornithischian. As the name Noah's Raven suggests, these dinosaur footprints were initially thought, quite reasonably, to have been made by ancient birds. At the time the tracks in the valley were discovered, dinosaurs were known only from fossils in England and later elsewhere in Western Europe, and they were not yet recognised as a unique group. All that was known from the bones was that they represented very large, extinct reptiles that had upright limb posture, unlike the sprawling limb posture of other reptiles. The footprints from the Connecticut Valley did not match this interpretation very well, showing active, bird-like animals that were often of a small size, rather than gigantic, sluggish reptiles, but were very similar to the tracks produced by modern-day ground birds, like turkeys. In light of this, Hitchcock and others interpreted these fossils as the tracks of extinct birds. Though today we know these tracks were made by non-bird dinosaurs, in many ways Hitchcock's early ideas have been supported by a vast amount of evidence gathered since the 1960s. Today we know that dinosaurs were warm-blooded, active, successful, and very bird-like in many aspects of their behaviour and life appearance, including feathery body coverings in many dinosaur groups. The living birds are, in fact, a surviving group of dinosaurs.